Hello guys, good morning. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to study our Vishta's second chapter, that is the Tiger King. Before proceeding to our chapter, I just want to ask you that the link that we shared with you before for chapter 1, that is the third level, you all have gone through it. Listen guys, start making question answers, okay? And if you face any type of difficulties, then please ask me or inbox me anytime, okay? Now we are going to start our chapter, second chapter of Vistas, that is the Tiger King. The author is Kalki. We are going to learn about author. Second thing, keywords of the chapter. Student, I want to share one thing with you. Keywords are very important. If you use keywords to write your answer, that will beautify your answers and that will impact good on your examiner, paper checker. That will give more good impression to the paper checker. Okay, so I suggest every time use keywords while writing your answer. Okay, the third, summary of the chapter, and the fourth one is the question asked in board exams. So this we are going to study from the chapter The Tiger King. The chapter is very nice and too much interesting chapter. Students, I hope you love the chapter very well, and it's a very fantastic story. You definitely, I hope you all enjoy the chapter very well. Okay. Now students, moving ahead to the author's introduction. Our author is Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy. He is a Tamilian writer, journalist, poet, critic and Indian independence activist. He wrote more than 120 short stories, 5 novels, 10 novel letters, 3 historical romances, and political writings, and hundreds of films and music reviews. He birthed. Now students, moving ahead to the summary. The story of the king Jang Bahadur of Pratibandhampuram, a brave warrior whose death had been predicted when he was born. The chief astrologer had predicted as the royal child was born in the hour of the bull, the tiger being its enemy. That death would be come to the child by a tiger. It means that the tiger is the main weapon. The brave prince asked all tiger to be aware of him, came to know as Tiger King. This story was considered to be a humor in the kingdom, but after looking at the event that happened subsequently, it can be concluded to be true. Now student, going ahead, he was warned by the astrologer of the danger from the 100th tiger that he encountered. The prince became king at the age of 20, and he went on killing all the tigers from his kingdom. He almost killed all the tigers in his kingdom, but still killing 100 tigers target is not achieved by the Tiger King. So he decided to marry a girl in which state they are having lots of tiger, full of tiger district. Okay, so he married into a state having high population of tigers. When his killing reached at 99, then tiger Tiger King become desperate to kill the last tiger, that is 100, and he was searching for tiger here and there desperately. He become mentally ill type of person for killing the last tiger, and he was searching tiger here and there badly. Fearing the king's harness, the minister planned an old tiger in the forest for him to kill. Satyr in the world wandered into the Maharaja's presence and stood as if in humble supplications, indicates that the tiger had understood the king's vow and gave in to it, begging him to kill it and fulfill his vow. It shows the pride of the king. The king fired at the tiger, but the tiger escaped the bullet miraculously. Student use the word miraculously. The royal hunter feared the king and so did not inform him. So the king soldier afraid of king and they didn't inform the king that the tiger was not killed. And what they did, they killed the tiger by themselves. It means the king has not killed 100 tigers. Now king was satisfied. The king was very much satisfied and awaited death of all the 100 tigers. Now time passes. Now king had a boy and his third birthday was, they were celebrating his third birthday, and king wants to give his son very nice birthday gift, a unique birthday gift king wants to give to his child. So he decided to give a wooden tiger to the child. Okay, the wooden tiger to the child as a birthday gift. Now student, what happened, that the wooden tiger was not properly done, but the shopkeeper was very much feared of the king, so he didn't say anything to the tiger king, and the shopkeeper has charged high amount of price of that wooden tiger that was not properly done. And then what happened, the king and his son were playing with the wooden tiger, and one of the thin pieces of wood, that one thin pieces of wood erupted out of the toy, and the tiger king got pinched the feather on his right hand and he was badly hurt. Then student, the wound become infectious. It was become like pus and spread to his arm, but they operated the king so many times, but he died. So ironically it says that 100 tigers killed the tiger king, and all the tiger heads took the revenge from the tiger. So this is the story is about the tiger king. Now student, we are going to do hard words. The first hard word is indomitable. It means the thing that unbeatable, the thing that is not beatable. Stuka is a fighter plane that used for aircraft attacks. Tsar is a wand. Now student, confiscated means taken away with authority. Durai means a Tamil word for leader or a chief. Deliberations means talks. Durai Sani means wife of the British officer. Discontented means unhappy, and fling means to throw. See students, this is your homework. Please do all the question answers in CW notebook, and please do all the keywords that I have given you right in your CW. One more thing I want to tell you students, from Flamingo textbook I have shared 2 chapters with you while lockdown period. Please go through it, and if you are facing any type of difficulties, please come and ask me or inbox me. Okay, thank you for the day. Bye students, take care.